Do you need a business card for a business? Well, in this video, I'll show you how to create a beautiful, professional-looking business card without using any complicated softwares like Illustrator. We're going to be using Canva, which is intuitive and easy to navigate. Plus, I'll show you how to add a QR code to it so people can scan and reach out to you directly. If you're new to this channel, hi and welcome. My name is Ksenia. I'm a brand, a web designer by trade, and here I share Squarespace website design, marketing tips and tutorials for basic creators and entrepreneurs. So make sure to subscribe. I logged into my Canva account. If you don't have one yet, there is a link below. Create a design. Unless you have a specific size of a business card that aren't standard, you want to use a custom size set. But we're using pretty normal business card size, 2 by 3.5, and you can also select landscape or portrait positioning you want. We use this one. Once selected, it's going to immediately open up a lot of different templates that you can explore. Add a few like this one. It has back and front. Make sure you select one and then click plus sign and select the second one. You can search by the industry. Dental business card. It's going to show you other business cards available. I already have logos that I'm going to be using. If you want to see how I created this logo, I linked a video below. I also created it in Canva. Drag and drop your logos in here. They uploaded, and if you ever lose them, here on the left side, go to uploads and you're going to be able to find all of the files you uploaded. This is our logo. Actually, I probably want to use a black color, and I'm going to use a white logo. I just want something to stand out. You can duplicate the page by clicking these 3 dots. Click duplicate. Now this is exactly the same page. I'll go to the original logo file that I have. I'm going to copy it, paste it in here. Because it's black, you can already see, so I'm going to click on this text color and adjust it to be white. I want to make this larger. I want to cut a little bit of each letter, and then I'm going to click on this transparency background and make it less, because this rectangle, the one that's selected, it's too large and it's basically laying on the top of this text. I cannot access it. So I'm going to click on this rectangle, click on position and send it to the back, just like that. And now I can manipulate. We can also adjust the positioning, so I want the alignment to be to the center. I want to adjust the letter spacing to be a little tighter. I wanted to make sure that it's aligned to the center, so if it's grayed out, it means it is. This kind of indicates this line that goes across, it indicates that now it's positioned to the middle. And if we move it up here, now we have the middle. Duplicating this, see something else. To the right. Photography business. So I want to write photography. We want this to be smaller. I also want this to be less dense because the most prominent are the names. Okay. Each element gonna have this 2 buttons. This one is moving them around, and the one that has rotating image, you can rotate any direction. Actually, I prefer this one. You can resize it. Resizing is a pro feature, so you have to pay for it, but you can just go back to the home page, type business card, select portrait, positioning, and back to our business card, select all of the elements and just paste it here, and then shift it 90, make it larger, change the color to be black so we can actually see. Now we can start manipulating this design. Position it to the center. I'm going to select this and use this positioning button. Looks good to me. I'm going for the minimalist luxury style. Now we're going to design the back of the card. click on the design here and search. This one looks good. I don't need this. I just want all of this stuff. So I'm gonna select it and change it. I want something minimal. I'm gonna change the font. This one is good. Zoom in for the name. I'm gonna make sure that I'm using the same font. This time I'm gonna adjust it to the right. Still going for more minimalist design. I'm probably gonna make this a little larger. You want to adjust all of this, but in my case, I'm just gonna keep wherever the demo version is. Okay, this looks good, so we can try. So this is the white version. We can also try to make it dark. And then we want to change the icons as well. Because I position it to the top, now I cannot access wherever the type we had before. You want to make sure to position it to the back. Now you can do the movement with this. The last part is to create a QR code. Go to the App Store and type QR code generator. I'm going to be linking to my website. I'm just going to type in the website and copy. You can also be linking to maybe an Instagram page or maybe directly to the booking page. And then I'm going to come back here and paste your URL. Click generate the code. Here we are. We can also change the background. So maybe the background should be black. I think I want to keep this one. So now all we have to do is enlarge it, position it over here. Oh, now it looks a little bit too busy for my preference. I'm gonna rearrange it a little bit. And I think I'm gonna shift this one. I want the QR code to be pretty prominent over here. Maybe this could be a little smaller. Maybe this needs to be. This is better. Yeah, definitely like that one better. So I'm just going to delete this. If we click on this grid view, we can preview our business cards. Now our card has been designed. You can print in Canva, but before that, you want to click on this file icon and then direct to this settings and include margins. You just want to make sure that everything inside this margins. And the second one, you want to show the printed bleed. This is like an extra space that the color could bleed to. Looks good. And then go to share. We have two options. You can download it, select the PDF print. Make sure to select all the pages that you want. If you created more than 2 pages, just make sure to deselect them. Select crop marks and bleed. Select CMYK. That's the color that printing uses. So this one is best for digital and this is for professional printing. And download. And now this could be sent to any printing provider you're going to be using. Or the second option would be click share and then print with Canva. Type in business card and we have a portrait, so we're going to select this option. Preview of the card. You can select a different type of paper, finish, the amount of business cards, etc. Click continue, add it to cart or proceed to checkout. I hope this tutorial was helpful. Thank you.